guys, I'm Hassan Chikoor and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, this is our 11th lecture of AutoCAD 2021, and in this lecture we see how to use polyline in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. To select the polyline, go to Home tab and in the Draw panel you find your polyline tool. Select the polyline tool. Now here it's showing behavior like the line tool. Now we make a geometry. To start a geometry, give it a start point. Click on the first point. Now give it a second point and the third point. Now we close this geometry and press enter to escape from the current command. So in this way we make our geometry. In the polyline, if you select your geometry, all the segments selected on a single click, and in the polyline all the segments behave like a single unit. And now if you hover cursor on the geometry grip, it shows some commands and we will discuss this command in the later videos. Now I select my polyline tool again and give it a start point. Now it prompts you in the command line arc, half width, length, undo and width. With the first point arc, we type A for arc and enter. In this way we can active arc tool and we directly make arc with the polyline. Now click here and you still in the form of arc, and to return back to the line click on line, and in this way you can back to the simple line and press enter. In this way you can make your arc with the polyline. And now we see some other points, and the second one is the half width, and for half width press H and enter. Now it prompts you starting half width. Give it a starting half width 0.5 unit and enter. Now it specify ending half width and we give it 1 unit. So now here we see the starting half width of this line is 0.5, which is from midpoint of this polyline to the end point, and the ending half width of this line is 1 unit, and the complete width of this ending line is 2 units. The half width is from the midpoint and to the end point, and in the start 0.5 unit is from the midpoint to the end point. So in this way we make the half width. Select the polyline tool again, give it a point. Now we see the width, and for that press W and enter. Now it also specifying the width, starting width. We give it 1 unit, and the ending width we give it 2. Now in this segment it directly pick the total starting width and the total end width, but in this segment we give the half width 0.5 and the ending width is 1 unit. So this is the half width segment, and we make this segment with the width segment. So guys, in this way you can use your polyline we make some other segments with the starting point. Width, starting width is 1 unit, ending width 1 unit, and make segments like this. In this way we make a rectangle with the polyline with the 1 unit width. So guys, this is the polyline tool. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.